Assalamu alaikum, fellow Nigerians. I bring you greeting from Almighty Allah. I am Alhaji Mustafa Naganka Najia Makafa. Kuma, I am here to make this video because of the scenario that is taking place in the Nigerian army. I am here to make this video because of you fellow Nigerians. I am here to make this video because of our beloved country, Nigeria. Not too long ago, a soldier that goes by the name Corporal Mattis was arrested because he made a video to talk about the pain that the fellow soldiers are going through in the war against Boko Haram. Because he came out to express pain that his fellow soldiers are going through in the war against insurgency. He was arrested. My question is, if a soldier can be arrested for speaking out his mind, if a soldier can be arrested because he came out to air out his view, what about you, a civilian? It means a civilian will die by firing squad for speaking his mind, for coming out to say his mind. We no longer enjoy the freedom of speech. We no longer enjoy the fact that this is democracy, the government where people have the right to come out and air out their views. If Corporal Martins can be arrested because he came out to speak what they go through in some Sambisa forest, that means the common Nigerian man is a problem. Kenajiba, as I speak with you, not only that Corporal Martins has been arrested and been locked in prison, his wife was also arrested. The wife who came in to solicit on his behalf on how they can secure his release was also arrested. For what? So my question to the Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Tukur Buratai, my question to you is that people no longer have the right to air out their mind. Does it mean that Nigerians, we no longer have the right to air out our view? Does it mean that Nigeria will no longer have the freedom of speech? How can you arrest a soldier who came out to speak out his mind on what they go through on a daily basis in the war against Boko Haram? Tukur Buratai, how many hours have you spent in the war against Boko Haram in the war front? Soldiers are coming out on the internet to cry every day on how they lose their loved ones, on how they lose their colleague, on how they lose their fellow soldiers. And a soldier came out to air out his mind, you got him arrested. So we no longer have the right to speak out. It means Nigeria is finished. What kind of a country is this? Haba magana. Wallahi, fadi gaskiya sai sira da ku. If someone will come out to speak on his own view, on how he sees things, in his own opinion, on this war against insurgency, Boko Haram that has lingered for so long, and the person will be arrested, it means Nigeria is finished. I am calling for the release of Lance Corporal Martins and his wife. Let me ask you, Tukur Buratai, are you happy at the death of fellow Nigerians in the northeast? Are you happy about the killings of Nigerians in the northeast? Do you know the numbers of Nigerians that have died in the hands of bandits? Do you know the numbers of Nigerians that have died in the hands of Boko Haram for more than 10 years? Are you happy about it? Why would you arrest somebody who came out to complain about the incessant killings in this country? What kind of leaders do we have in this country? Tukur Buratai, You are the chief of army staff. You should feel the pain that Lance Corporal Martins is feeling. Not to arrest him, for crying out loud. What has he done? That he came out to say Nigerians, we don't have arms enough to fight Boko Haram. That he came out to say he's disappointed at you. That he came out to say he's disappointed at the Navy, at the Air Force. Is that why he should be arrested? It means the common man is finished. I am calling on the Nigerian Senate. I am calling on the Federal House of Rep and all well-meaning Nigerians. I am calling on every human rights activist, renowned lawyers in this country, stand by Lance Corporal Martins. This is the time for you to stand for Lance Corporal Martins and his wife. Release Lance Corporal Martins now. Release the young man who came to speak for the future of fellow Nigerians. Release him now. Let me say this very clearly. Let nothing happen to Lance Corporal Martins, because this is Nigeria. Later you will come and tell us and announce on the news that Lance Corporal Martins has died of COVID-19. Because that is the latest trend now. Don't come and tell us that he died of coronavirus. Don't come and tell us that he died in the prison. Don't come and tell us that he is sick. Lance Corporal Martins was arrested. He was hale and healthy. Let nothing happen to that young man. But lie. I am calling on the president of this country, Muhammadu Buhari, to take a move now. Make move now. And make sure that the young man is released. He came out to speak for me and you. He came out to speak for all Nigerians. He came out to speak for the betterment of this country. Nobody should be arrested for airing out his mind. Lieutenant General Tuku Yusuf Buratai, release Lance Corporal Martins now. He came out to speak for your children. He came out to speak for your children's children. He came out to speak for fellow Nigerians. He came out to speak for fellow soldiers. Release him now. Enough is enough. I remember vividly Jonathan, the former president of this country, was so humiliated, was so insulted and so embarrassed by some of the politicians in this country. Senator Rabiu Kwankwaso came out and said, finally, we have used the Ahmadis to vote Goodluck Ebele Jonathan out of government. Was he killed? Was he arrested? Dino Melaye, Senator Dino Melaye came out and said, President Jonathan is the most corrupt in the history of Nigeria. Was he killed? Was he arrested? Rotimi Amechi, the former governor of Rivers State, came out and said, we form a parallel government should Jonathan win 2015 election. Was he killed? Was he arrested? People will come out to speak out their mind and you get them arrested. What is the meaning of democracy? Why are you turning democracy in this country, in this present government? Why are you turning democracy to demonstration of peace? What kind of leaders do we have in this country? Banza Mutumuni, Jambaza Kawaini. Hey! Assalamu alaikum, fellow Nigerians. I bring you greeting from Almighty Allah. I am Alhaji Mustafa Naganka Najia Makafa. Follow me back to back on Instagram. Watch, like and share my videos on Facebook. Endeavor to comment and air out your opinion on the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. You would have contributed immensely in making Nigeria a better country for all of us. Stay tuned. We're always here for you to do the talking because you are there standing for us. Now go deeper.